Hey, don't be surprised if one day I just...
Yep.
Watch me. Bang! Bang! Good bang, Bo. Bang, Kylie. Bang, Kylie. Yeah!
You want food?
Oh my god! What is wrong with you? Oh my god!
Oh shit! What? What?
Did you just lick me? See, he front on the snap, y'all. He does low-key want to love me. Huh? Ow!
I didn't mean to have it without you. Sometimes I do need to have a shower on my own. I'm just trying to have a night to myself, buddy. You don't always have to be there. I'm sorry, I took that too far. I didn't mean to say that. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that. You know I didn't mean it. No, come on, I love you.
Aw, you brought me a flower. Is it for Blossom? It is.
Thank you for the flower, buddy. I think she looks beautiful.
What did I say, huh? What did I say? I told you no touchy. Now you suffer the bite of the lion and the clenching jaws of an alligator. Wait a second, don't pull the cotton stuck in my teeth.
morning my cat begs for me to do her makeup too. Watch how happy she is.
Girl. You're so pretty. Yeah. Okay, you want some blush now? Some blush? Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. You're so beautiful. Uh-huh. Yeah, a little bit right there. Mm-hmm. So beautiful. So beautiful.
I didn't buy you anything at the store. I didn't. Just kidding. Yes, I did. Look what I got. I'm gonna put it together right now, okay? Okay? Okay.